Hey there, it's Ron with Originateve again. We're here in my backyard regenerative garden. I want to show you another plant that I love for its prolific production in spring. Today we're going to be talking about red mustard, or Chinese red mustard. It's the mustard that we get brown mustard from. So when you take the seeds from the red mustard plant, you can make brown mustard. It's super prolific and very delicious in salads, and really holds up to cooking. So you can put it on heat, or you can just eat it raw, and it's delicious. So you can see right in the middle of this, all these dark leaves here are red mustard. You can see it coming up everywhere, embedded in the orac and the radishes and the onions and the sticky willy right there, gallium. It's a wonderful plant. And in the sun over here, gets a little bit more sun, you can see how big those leaves are getting. They're just gorgeous. That red, the red on the leaves, very delicious to eat with your eggs, or with your or make sag, traditional sag out of that. It's a wonderful plant. Love it. Here in my greenhouse, you can see I already have one flowering. The whole stem is flowering, and it produces, mustard produces these little seed pods, and the seed pods can be eaten just like that, and the flowers can be eaten and thrown in your salad and add a little bit of spice to your food.